Chuck Schumer yesterday talking about President Trump nominating a Supreme Court justice as if it's something illegal or something unconstitutional or something unheard of. There have been far more justices than this one that have been appointed far faster than this one is likely to be appointed. You can mark my words that if the Democrats were in power, they would be doing the exact same thing if the situation arise. Now they're talking about loading the Supreme Court should they get in power. Let me tell you something, and I just want you to remember, some of you will know this. I would venture to guess a vast majority of you will remember me saying this, 6 months ago or so, that the very first thing the Democrats would do if they get into power, the very first thing is load the Supreme Court up. Because what they will never allow to happen again is what's happened with this president. This president, in 3 years, changed what progressive movement has done for the last 10 years and the last 20 years for sure, has totally disarmed it and ruined it. And the only thing that they have, remember, the only thing that these Marxists can depend upon is Marxist Supreme Court judges. That's all they have. Because if they can't legislate from the bench, then what happened in 2016 could happen again easily the next time a conservative could get elected. And the only way they can prevent that is to make sure that they continue to legislate from the bench, from the Supreme Court bench, so that they can challenge laws and let that challenge go all the way to the Supreme Court to get ruled on in their favor, and thereby controlling what is going on in America and able to keep a Marxist society a Marxist society. It's all they can do. Chuck Schumer has given us a wake-up call to what I said 6 months ago. He has reminded us that they are going to load the courts up if they get in. Listen, Biden's never going to release a list of names for Supreme Court justices. And if he does, it's going to be a bunch of lies. Because if he's going to be truthful about it, he's going to list some very radical judges that they don't want the right to start throwing stones at. Chuck Schumer really needs to wake up after all the years in the Senate and take an actual read of the Constitution. Understand the powers that this president has, the powers of the United States. Schumer's Marxist views might apply to him and his cronies, but they don't apply to this president and to us. For that matter, any president, until those Marxist views become a reality for America, and that can only happen through the Marxist Party trying now to win the majority. President Trump is not the president that was running in 2016. This is a president that has showed us that he's got guts. He's got conviction. A president that through the Kavanaugh nomination, for the first time in a very long time, gave some backbone to the Senate. Backbone that I didn't think existed in Mitch McConnell, to be honest with you. And I said how proud I was of Mitch McConnell. This is a president that showed what fighting for America looks like. This is a president that has kept promises, that has showed America what it means not to give up and to stand up for what is right for the American people and for America. This is a president that has proved that he will keep his promises. And this is a president that is for such a time as this. Oh, He will fight for the Supreme Court nominee no matter what. Make no mistake about it. And we're going to have to wait to see if the Senate can muster up the same kind of backbone that they had during the Kavanaugh hearings. I hope so. Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.